Your organization is transitioning to the latest version of the Microsoft Teams desktop client. Users are reporting that they cannot install the software because of a block triggered by an organizational policy. You have confirmed that all operating system updates are current and that no active group policy objects, or GPOs, are affecting the workstations. You have determined that an incorrect registry entry must be purged to permit the installation.
How should you complete the PowerShell command to delete the offending configuration? The possible options are as follows. Option A, hkcu:/policies/Microsoft/Windows/assigned access configuration. Option B, hkcu:/backslash/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/remote system integration. Option C, hklm:/backslash/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/Apex. Option D, hklm:/backslash/software/policies/Microsoft/system. Option E, allow all trusted apps. Option F, allow development without dev license. Option G, MDM hosts. Option H, package ID.
This scenario focuses on troubleshooting application installation failures that persist despite the lack of active group policies. It tests your knowledge of how registry hives in Windows control app behavior and your proficiency in using PowerShell commandlets to modify or remove specific registry keys and values when traditional management tools have failed to resolve the issue.
In my view, the correct answer involves using the command remove item property with the path set to hklm:/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/Apex and the name set to allow all trusted apps. This specific registry path is where Windows maintains policies related to Apex packages. Even without active GPOs, stale entries here can prevent new applications from installing, and removing the Allow All Trusted Apps value effectively clears that restriction.
Regarding the other options, paths like hklm:/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/system, or those located in the HKCU hive, are not where this specific application blocking policy resides. Similarly, other listed properties such as MDM hosts or allow development without dev license are unrelated to the specific security enforcement preventing the Teams installation. As an exam tip, remember that AppX-related policies are the primary culprit for unexplained modern app installation failures in a managed environment.